Good morning, friends. I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady, and today is day 13 of the Junk Journal July challenge, which is hosted by Make Journals and Get Messy Art. And today's prompt is details. And when I saw that, I immediately thought of the pictures of flowers that my husband and I took just yesterday, most of them, and a couple from other years. But the details on the flowers are amazing, and so I'm going to print out some of them, probably maybe four or five, and that is going to be my very whole, the complete project. So let me get that started. Okay, so I am going to go to my Canon selfie app and look for the pictures that I just uploaded to my phone. Of course, now it's going to stay blank white. There we go. Select and print. Okay. Smartphone. Downloads. And the first one I'm going to do is this one. I'm not sure about that one. I don't know how clear that one is. And now we will print. And you can see the whole process of printing one of them, and then I'll print the rest off camera. It's pretty cool, actually. Oops, got enough space there. This is a stargazer lily that used to be in our garden, but then red lily bugs killed it. Invasive species bugs. It was gorgeous. And I'll hold it up to the camera in a minute. I'm very upset that we don't have it anymore. It's beautiful. It was planted here before we moved in. But there it is. Isn't it gorgeous? Look at all those details. Alright, so we'll get to the others now. I decided to go with these four. This is our current sunflower. You can even see a little tiny caterpillar on it. This was actually taken through my window. And then we have these two we found on our walk yesterday. We went on a little river walk. This one's not too clear or close up enough, but this one is. And just look at all the beautiful detail, and like even the detail of the grass and leaves behind it is there. So I'm just going to put these on my papers, and as you can see here, I have a label with the date, details. I did not label each prompt that I did, but that's alright. So this one's going to be first, because I think that's the most beautiful one. And then I'll put one on each page, and that is going to be my 4-page spread for details. And I think I'm just going to glue these on because it's quicker. I'll do that off camera. So here is my finished 4-page spread for details. And I found some little sentiments that I had cut out of books. That one says like a pink sunset cloud. And then over here, these last three are not actually pasted on in the right direction, but that's okay. The most priceless possession. All sorts of colors, and that's wonderful. I thought that would be good for those photos. Well, thanks so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Hope you're happy and well and healthy, and I hope you'll come back tomorrow for the next one. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I would love to have more subscribers. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again tomorrow, hopefully, if I have the chance. And Tomorrow's prompt is torn. That shouldn't be that difficult. Lots of torn papers. Alright guys, we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.